Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into Avid Adventures. My name is Avit Branch, and today we are in Chikmagalur. As you may or may not know, if you haven't watched my previous two videos, the link will be down there in the description box below. And it's raining. I think GoPro Media Mode should be able to tolerate some light rain. Okay, and it's starting to come down pretty heavily. I'll have to keep my camera inside, put on my raincoat. Not my raincoat actually, but I'll have to keep my camera inside if I. Otherwise, media mode का मेरे को भरोसा नहीं है. गुस्सा नहीं होते. Look at the road. इतना सूदिंग वेदर हो रखा है ना अभी. So peaceful out here. आगे जाके लेफ्ट लेना है. ओके, टूरिस्ट हैं यहाँ पे. आई थिंक वी हैव रीच्ड द हायरकोली लेक. ओह वाओ, हायरकोलाले लेक. वाओ यार, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so the first destination of today is this Hyrokolali Lake. I'm so sorry if I'm not getting the name right, but उसके नाम छोड़ो. Just look at this. अच्छा लग रहा है. I mean, I can stay here all day long. I just hope audio खराब ना हो because हवा बहुत गंदी चल रही. तो please, I apologize. But yeah, it's a very beautiful place. So I believe if you're here in Chikmagalur, and this lake is not very far away from the city as well, so you can easily come here. So if you're planning to come to Chikmagalur and you're staying in city, do come to this Hyrokolali. Okay, now we're heading towards Mulyangiri Peak, which is the highest peak of Western Ghats in Karnataka, and it is about 17 kilometers from the city. So let's go. बड़ी spooky सी जगह से जा रहे हैं हम लोग यार. Spooky and beautiful at the same time. I mean, oh भाई खराब रोड. उई पूरे तरफ, like we are literally riding through a middle of the forest, guys. Bhai, this is, I mean, just look at it. रोड भी कच्ची है पूरी, दोनों तरफ पेड़ ही पेड़ है, and we are literally riding through the middle of a jungle. Wow. And the incline is also very very steep. I mean, कैमरे में क्योंकि सुपर वाइड एंगल लगा रखा है मैंने सेटिंग में, तो शायद पता नहीं चल रहा, बट दिस इज एन इजीली 30 डिग्री इंक्लाइन. नॉट 30, ज़्यादा बोल दिया, सॉरी, ओवर एग्जैजरेट कर दिया, बट एटलीस्ट 15-20 डिग्रीज इंक्लाइन आराम से. एंड दैट टू सराउंडेड बाई ट्रीज. वाओ, जस्ट वाओ. But this is amazing. Bye 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 bye. Nice. Woohoo! इसी के लिए तो खरीदी थी बाइक ये वाली, घूमने के लिए. cars in hilly areas a lot. जो मतलब बाइक चलाने में है ना ऐसी रोड्स पे, कार्स में है ही नहीं. And let me see if we can stop here. What a view! इधर से इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. You know what? ऊपर तक चलते हैं. ऊपर से I think since we'll be a little bit even higher, और अच्छा दिखेगा. You know, there's this lake also there. Just look at the view. भाई पूरी शिलोंग वाली फीलिंग आ रही है मेरे को अब. एक्सेप्ट रोड्स आर काफ़ी कंपैरेटिवली वेरी नैरो. शिलोंग में काफ़ी चौड़ी है, बट बॉय इट्स लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. Are we allowed to take the bike ride? अलाउड नहीं है क्या जाना ऊपर? ओके सो द थिंग इज कि एक बार में केवल सबको जाने को नहीं मिलता है. सो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इज कि थोड़ी देर रुको एंड देन वील अलाउ यू टू गो. सो I don't want to park my bike on a steep incline like that. कैमरे में कितना आ रहा है. And I know I'm saying this a lot on this trip, but we are literally sitting in the clouds. Suicide point है क्या? भाई ऐसे मत खड़े हो यार. एक से पीछे and then खल्लास. चल भाई. अरे हम निकल लेते भाई. अपनी लेन में चलो भाई, अपनी लेन में चलो. इडियट्स भाई. हिल्स में केवल तीन रूल होते हैं रोड चलाने के गाड़ी. ए, अपनी लेन में चलो. बी, टर्न्स पे लेफ्ट में स्टिक, टर्न्स पे हमेशा अपना लेफ्ट पकड़ के चलो. एंड 3, टर्न्स पे कभी ओवरटेक मत करो. लेट मी जस्ट, ये 3 रूल्स फॉलो करो आप हिल्स में, और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. so spooky. People are walking here. I mean, nice यार. अब रुकते हैं. आई थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द वे, ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द टॉप. एंड ओके, सो मुल्यानगिरी से वी आर लीविंग नाउ. एंड look at that. I mean, ऊपर पूरा we were in the clouds, so that लेक नहीं दिखा. लेक है, सिटी नहीं दिखा. But now we are on our way, and Mulyangiri. And now from here I am not alone. I am riding with 2 other people, Raj and Darshan, who somehow I seem to have lost them. So probably they must be waiting. So they are localites यहीं पे, and they are now initially I was planning to go to Z Point, but they said कि उधर पे जाने से अच्छा है you can come along with us also, because we are also sightseeing. So we are going to a place which is about 20 kilometers from here. I'm not. ये चल ना भाई, डिज़ायर वाला क्या कर रहा है. अच्छा, another thing is, if you're planning to come to Mulyangiri and you're planning to go to the peak, ऊपर बहुत गंदा जाम हो गया था. So it's like Nandi Hills of Chikmagalur. If you wanna enjoy it the most, the best option will be, the best option will be to come here early in the morning, unlike me, क्योंकि बहुत गंदा जाम हो गया था ऊपर तक ना. It's very old यार. Anyways, and a chicken also. Okay, so I decided to take a short chai break. So chai वाय पीते थोड़ा energize होते हैं, and then we'll be चाय और ऐसा मौसम. Don't need anything in front, and I mean you find the most amazing people. Again, Rajesh and Darshan are there are just riding ahead of me, and I mean very nice guys, very nice people, both of them. I mean मतलब इनकी वजह से मेरी इतनी हेल्प हो गई, and I mean I'm able to click pictures आराम से, I mean without setting up the tripod or anything. And I mean they are also very nice in this way. I mean help कर रहे हैं, irritate नहीं हो रहे बार रुक के फोटो खिंचाने से. Very nice. That intercooler has kicked in, the radiator fans, and पैर में बिल्कुल ना गरम हवा मार रहे, इतना मज़ा आ रहा है बाइक चलाने में. बिल्कुल मिस्टी ग्लूमी वेदर, एंड पैर में गरम हवा. And I feel कि Adventure 390, this bike is performing better in colder climates.
This is the name of the hill.
Okay, so we've reached Baba Budangiri, right? So we can clearly see the weather is pretty nice here. It's super chilly. So if you're planning to come in the month of monsoon, make sure you carry a good quality jacket because ठंड है यहाँ पे काफी. And Raj here will tell us something about this place. Raj, can you just?
Hi people. So this place, hill name is called Baba Budangiri. The temple which is there, it's called Datta Pita. The specialty of Datta Pita is like it's a place for security. It's like both masjid and temple, both are there. So we can see the both staying here, and you can see around the people of both religion will visit here. It's also like a holy place.
Okay, so हम लोगों ने दर्शन कर लिया है. And we were not allowed to film, so I didn't take photo of the camera. So the special thing is कि it's a cave, and cave के अंदर we have both the Hindu gods as well as the Muslim gods. And like अंदर cave के there is this place जहाँ पे बहुत सारी मिट्टी है, and it's holy. And क्या बोलते हैं, जो भी गणेश चतुर्थी में गणेश भगवान की जो मूर्तियाँ वगैरह बनती हैं, people they come take this mitti from here, and then they make the sculpture of the Ganesh. We are going back from Datta Pita to Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary for a safari. For a tiger safari, sorry. And what these guys are saying is कि बहुत easily tiger spot होता है वहाँ पे, and safari भी अभी चल रही है. So आज अगर tiger दिख गया तो मेरी पूरी ट्रिप वसूल हो जाएगी, honestly. Okay. One thing which I'd like to point out here is कि monsoon में even इधर पे the roads are very slippery, and तो इसीलिए please just be a little bit careful when you're coming here because काफ़ी slippery है roads. Okay, so I am at the backwaters of the Bhadra Dam. Not the backwaters, you can call it the reservoir, where all the water which is being stored by the dam is collected. And you're not gonna believe how beautiful this place is. Like for real, I haven't seen a place like this ever in my life. And I'm so glad that I came here. Just take a look. No man, hey, thank you so much man, so much. I mean,
Please let us know if you need anything else.
definitely, man.
Okay, sure. I'll meet you once in a while.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Darshan. I mean, it was really fun. मतलब मैं तो सोचा, I was like, yeah, I'll travel alone, but you know, I made two friends, and that's what solo traveling is about, I think. Bye. Amazing guys. I mean, बहुत ही बढ़िया दो लोग मिले यार. इतना अच्छा लगा इनसे मिलके ना. इन्होंने पूरा मेरे को घुमाया है यार चिकमंगलूर. माई सोलो ट्रिप टर्न्ड इनटू अ sort of a group trip. बहुत ही अच्छे लोग. Anyways, so now my plan is to head home. My GoPro is completely discharged. About 10% battery is remaining, and as in like an idiot, I forgot my charger जो इधर लगता है. So now the plan is just to go back to the hotel, relax, and शाम को we'll go to the coffee museum. And here we are back in my room. So after I leave 1 hour and 47 minutes, I'm back in my room. This room has a very sort of chota sa fancy सी warm light as well. So phone पे तो काफी अच्छा दिख रहा है. I don't know computer पे कैसा दिखेगा. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you really liked it. This is like my first solo trip on my bike, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making this video for you. So if you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. But till then, stay safe, stay happy, and take care. This is Avi signing off. Bye bye.